Hi, my name is James Asui, and today I will be talking to you about how useful is a website. Today I will be talking about two websites, and I'll be comparing the two websites of two companies, Stewart Engineers and Sealed Air. I'll be discussing the format, usability, and placement of information, as well as other aspects of the websites in determining their overall usefulness and effectiveness. To start off, we have Stewart Engineers and their front page depicted to the right. They start off by listing exactly what they specialize in. As you can see, glass technology and glass factory supplying. Directly after that, they list their products and services that they have to offer. They don't want to waste any time in telling the audience what they have to offer. They just want to engage with them directly and right away. They provide pictures for each product and service that they have, as well as a description with red hyperlinks that will lead the audience and the viewer to learn more if those links are clicked on. Sealed Air's webpage is very much different than Stewart Engineers. Their webpage is more goal and objective oriented. They don't really provide too much information about products, but instead more so small descriptions of their goals as a company, followed by links to read more about that stuff. This can be seen here on the left. This is Sealed Air's front page. At the top of the page, they provide their mission statement. And then below that, they offer a series of questions to engage with the audience and hopefully intrigue the audience to seek an answer to those questions that they provide, which I think is a really good way to engage with the audience and to keep the audience engaged and to lead them to research more into the company and learn more on their website. Appearance and format. Both companies make good use of graphic design to make their websites look appealing. The use of eye-catching colors such as red and teal really bring the reader's attention to certain portions of the page. The companies do this because they really want to highlight certain information that they want to get across to the audience, and they will do this by highlighting and bringing the eyes of the audience to certain portions of the page. Appearance and format is very important. Statistics show that 38% of people will stop engaging with the site if it doesn't have an appealing layout or design. This being said, most companies do not want to lose business or lose people from their audience. So most companies really do take appearance and format of their websites to mind, and they really, really buckle down on this aspect. Here I have some examples of the use of graphic designs in both websites for both companies. Stewart Engineers provides an image gallery for each process and product that they offer. This can be seen in the image to the bottom left, where it has they provide an image gallery of the manufacturing processes of their certain products. Sealed Air, in the picture to the bottom right, that's their sustainability page. They use the incorporation of relevant colors and images that correlate to the certain topic at hand to gain the interest and keep the reader interested. This can be seen, since this is their sustainability page, they include graphics related to sustainability, such as pictures of nature, the world, green colors, and other aspects that are associated with sustainability. Ease of access is a big thing for companies and their websites. People really want to have an easy time and an easy experience on the website. No one wants to be frustrated looking for things and not being able to find them. This being said, both websites have really good navigation bars that provide drop-down menus. Sealed Air is a much bigger company, so they have a lot more to offer. Each tab has a drop-down menu leading to wherever the audience or the viewer wants to go, whereas Stewart Engineers only has a drop-down menu for products and the language of the website if the audience needs that to meet their needs, if they need to read the website in another language. News updates and frequently updating the website. This is important because frequently updating a website shows the audience that the company is that the company wants to engage with the audience, that they want them to be a part of the company and know exactly what's going on, what events they have going on, anything that's happening in the news. Stewart Engineers is not good about doing this. Their last news post is from June 1st, 2018, which is over a year ago. And Sealed Air is decently good at it. As you can see, there's a few months between each post, but all throughout 2019, they have posts of certain results and reports that they have, or events that are going on to keep their audience engaged. And it just really shows the audience that they can go to the website to find information about their company really easily and know that it's there. So in conclusion, to say that one website is better over the other is really based down to opinion and preference. But the importance of having a presentable and easy to use website is very important. Statistics show that 70 to 80% of consumers research a business online before having any affiliation or making any contact with them. Also, companies can increase their revenue by 23%, so it can really bring a profit to the company by having a great website and a great consistent brand across all platforms. And these are just some of the few reasons why having an appealing and easy to use website is important. The list is endless, but at the end of the day, the company really wants to keep the attention of the viewer and the audience. So that's why having a good website is important, especially in today's society where technology is the norm. Well, that's all I have for you today, and hopefully the information I provide to you today is useful, and I hope that you will use it later on in your lives and hopefully in your careers. Thank you.